In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your reverse camera on a Chevy Malibu located in the trunk lid. Pop your trunk up so you can get to this camera area, and it's pretty simple. You can use a flat head screwdriver or a plastic trim tool, but on the right side of the camera there's a little tab that you're going to push in and pop it down. That's how simple that is. See the tab? Now the cable's too short, so we do have to lift the trunk up the rest of the way, and we're going to get to the underskirt. Now for me, I'm going to just try to take partial of the skirt down just to get to that wire connected. No need to take the whole skirt off. So with a trim tool, I'm going to take these plastic tabs and pop them off. I'm going to move on to the second one, see if I can get better leverage for both of these to come out. There we go. Now I can see the clip right there. It's that great clip. I'm going to take the plastic off the latch, pull the skirt down. Now you really can see it. This is the camera tab. So we have a red lock tab on that. Take a screwdriver, pop that like that, and then you're just going to push down on that tab and pull it out. Now it does only come out through the trunk side, so lower your trunk down enough, and then grab that camera and pull it right out. While I'm here, I'm just going to slide the new one right in. See, it comes right down here. Line it up. Click it in, feel it firm. Now take that red tab and lock it down, just like that. Now we can lower the trunk. We want to push that camera in, so you're going to bring that up until it locks into place. Feel the seal grab, and then click right into place. Now we just raise it up. Let's put our skirt back on. Bring it right over the latch. I'm going to put the plastic right back on that latch. And now we put in our 4 push pins. Get a rubber mallet or a little end of your screwdriver and work your way across. Two more in the center. And then one more over here, and we are done. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.